Can you even imagine what life would be like if there wasn't any food? Think about how challenging it is just to survive. Agriculture is largely responsible for our current food sustainability. Many people around the world rely heavily on agricultural production for their primary source of income and survival. There have been several developments in agriculture during the past few years, particularly in the areas of sensors, equipment, machineries, and information technology. In this video, you'll see how agriculture has benefited from recent technological developments, and how these innovations not only benefited our agricultural sector, but also you who watches this video. So, let's get started. Number 1. Bog Clearing Machine. The best in the business, Mary Peet's bog clearing technology may be used for both clearing out new peat production areas and restoring worn-out ones. New farmland on peat ground can be cleared with the same machinery. The OJK-1.3, a screw-type ditcher, is used in combination with Suacon's bog clearing machine to remove bog debris. This apparatus is an ideal device for ditching in peatlands. It cleanly severs the relationship with any and all trees, roots, or stumps. Moreover, it can be finished with a single sweep. A tractor with 220 horsepower excavates peat from both sides of the ditch and uniformly distributes it down the strip. Number 2. This cutting-edge Kunz FC460 mower. As the disc can be sheared off the shaft just above the bearing, the mower is protected from damage in the event of a collision with an obstruction. That way, the gears are safe from harm. The mower conditions are unparalleled in their adaptability to various harvesting methods and field circumstances. It is the best machine of its kind on the market thanks to its cutting-edge features, which include easy customization and minimal upkeep. Number 3. Loftness GL System. The GL system created by Loftness is the pinnacle of convenience for individuals who must load grain bags. It provides extremely high performance and capacity. The grain is stored in long polyethylene bags, each measuring up to 500 feet in length and 10 feet in diameter. When the bag is full, the machine then seals it for you. This procedure causes the oxygen content of the bag to decrease while the carbon dioxide content rises. Without using any chemicals, the airtight environment prevents the growth of mold and kills off insects. Additionally, it retards the natural process, allowing for longer storage. Number 4. Boss Lead is the industry leader in farm equipment for small and individual use and has been for over 30 years. Ball seed harvesters are available for use on farms. The 3-row portable harvesting drive may be carried in a backpack and is powered by a tractor. V-belts and gears form the basis of its drive mechanism. It may be used to reap 0.8 acres in 1 hour. And a tractor with a diesel engine larger than 240 horsepower can mount and use it without issue. When the ears of corn are ready, they can be plugged with straw purchased from nearby fields. Time and effort are saved throughout the process, all thanks to the ability of this machine to move harvested crops directly from the field to the back hydraulic tilting hopper where they may be loaded into transport vehicles. Number 5. AgriFac. The AgriFac sprayer GreenFlow Plus system is ideal for large-scale crop spraying. It's the most cutting-edge sprayer available, and it can cover a width of 54 meters. Also unique are its skinny wheels. The distance between the wheels is flexible, ranging from a minimum of 150 centimeters to a maximum of 225 centimeters. It aids the driver in traversing fields without damaging the crops. With this, you can count on a steady stream of spray. In order to avoid any noticeable spraying differences, every drop is preserved and directed to its proper destination. There's no doubt that this device is effective, cheap, ergonomic, and environmentally friendly. Number 6. Bachmeier Wood Chip Machine. Look, I'm about to show you how to cut off a chunk of this log and turn it into countless wood chips. Now, the primary function of wood chips is a component in the manufacturing of wood pulp, biomass, solid fuel organic mulch, gardening, ecological restoration, and many other uses. Because of this, chippers are in high demand in the forestry and timber sectors. The power of this machine is unmatched by anything short of a Diamant 2000. It can make chips anywhere from 15mm to 60mm in diameter with a maximum of 380 cubic meter per hour. You can fine-tune any material for a superior chip thanks to its large range of motion, simple counter-knife swaps, automatic pressure compensation of crane outriggers, and independent differential lock. The next revolutionary beast I'll show you is optimized for use in very shallow water. But before we get there, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If so, please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos. Number 7. WaterMaster. This beast is a massive dredger specially designed to work in shallow water. Useful for dredging, piling, and raking, it can crawl to the water on its own power thanks to its sturdy frame and powerful hydraulics. It is currently making ready to dive into the sea. In addition to its aquatic abilities, the WaterMaster relies on its sturdy legs on the bottom of the ocean for stability. As soon as it's prepared, the process can begin using a wide variety of readily interchangeable attachments. The work is completed efficiently and affordably with the help of this versatile piece of equipment. It cleans waterways by excavating and raking out the garbage and noxious weeds, and it builds up riverbanks and beachfront by driving piles into the ground. Number 8. Up next is E-Terra. Typhoon clearing mowers quickly decimates any obstacle in its path. Spindle driving hub and high-output radial piston motor provide propulsion. They gave it a robust blade so that trimming trees, bushes would be less of a chore. The operator is afforded greater flexibility thanks to the option of open cutting made possible by the removal of a cover above the blade. Cutting down a tree that is 12 inches across is no problem at all with E-Terra. It performs as intended without signs of wearing out. Number 9. Group Eurodirect. Now let's talk about Group Eurodirect. They have unveiled a novel planter suit outfitted with tools for preparing the ground for planting. The tool serves double duty as a ridge cutter and pre-ridging. It came with Wi-Fi as well, apparently. The maximum weight load for this tiller is 2.5 or 3 tons, and it is supported by a total of 9 wheels. They've carefully built it to improve its performance, and hydraulic drives have been attached. While it tills, it takes a closer look at the potatoes. Since the tiller spacing can be modified to 75, 80, or 90 centimeters, it's easy to find a comfortable stance. Number 10. CleanTech Infra. Nowadays, sludge, silt, sediment, and dense vegetation growth are rapidly clogging water bodies. Municipal authorities everywhere face this difficult problem. Nevertheless, the designer of the clean tank infrastructure solved the problem by making the tank float, thereby allowing this dredger to swiftly access the clogged area and remove the trash. Its amphibious excavators are tailor-made for dredging in shallow water, making it ideal for use in urban areas with abundant garbage but limited space to dump it. It has a discharge height of 50 feet at a rotation of 360 degrees, allowing it to deposit silt directly on the beach. Without a question, CleanTech infrastructure is the most effective approach to water purification issues. Number 11. Heckler & Drone by Heitzma Class BV. The canal system is one of the oldest and most commonly utilized farming technologies, yet it requires upkeep just like any other system. And the Claas Heitzma Heckler & Drone is the best tool for the job. They have all of the necessary tools, including this Hemos throwing wheel ditch cleaner. All walk-behind cultivators and mowing bucket cranes will be rendered obsolete by this machine. The blades of the machine scrape the muck and silt out of the ditch. In just one sweep, the fresh water flow can be restored. Number 12. Ecolog. Now we come to the Ecolog, a wood harvester whose adaptability will astound you. They put in a special suspension arm that allows the chassis to be tilted laterally by 25.5 degrees so it can handle rough terrain with ease. It includes a 35 horsepower Volvo Penta engine with a swivel cap that can rotate 350 degrees, thus reducing the frequency with which you'll have to relocate it. The combination of these factors ensures superior efficiency and dependability in performance. Number 13. Wood Splitters by Posh Leibniz. Working with wood, especially while cutting it, generates a great deal of dust and meth. The machine makes quick work of cutting and splintering the trunk into manageable chunks. There are basically 3 sections to it. The first is the feeding table. The wood is raised and fed into the machine mechanically. It's a saw blade for the second piece. It reduces each plank of wood to a length of just 50 centimeters. The length is flexible, but the optimal dimensions are 50 centimeters in length and 25 centimeters in diameter. After that, the wood logs go through a series of blades that cut them into even smaller pieces, 4, 6, or 8, depending on the size of the logs and the type of blade used. Last, a conveyor belt makes it easy to deliver the package to the designated location. Since only one person is required to run this machine, you can rest assured that it'll help your company flourish. They used cutting-edge engineering in the machine's design. When a hand is detected by the light sensor in the cutting area, it immediately shuts off. Number 14. Mr. Agri-France. Large tractors with wide plows and cutting-edge blades are essential for today's farming methods. In addition to being a wise financial investment, they also offer significant time savings. What hydraulic rollers are fitted to this heavy-duty tractor is the wave of the future. The pile's back wheels serve to stabilize it and automatically alter the height of the ground around it. However, investing in this machine will pay dividends if you're looking to increase your crown output. Number 15. AgriFac Light Trax. The AgriFac Light Trax is a 6-row harvester designed specifically for sugar beets. Farmers are very satisfied with its functionality and adaptability. Its operating system provides state-of-the-art ergonomics for the driver and controls every aspect of the vehicle from the navigation to the engine. The roomy driver's compartment features a 12-inch touchscreen for added convenience. Protect Plus scalping was just recently implemented, and it guarantees the finest outcomes. The defoliator can now be adjusted to a higher setting thanks to this innovative scalping technology. As a result, there is now greater room between the scalper and the dominant crest. Greater protection against energy loss and increased sugar production are the outcomes. What do you think of these helpful machines that individuals may use in farming? Do you think this has benefited a large number of people, particularly in the agricultural industry? Let me know your insights down in the comment section below. For more technological-related content like this, consider subscribing to Technology Now. I'll see you in the next video.